Most marketers are fighting for traffic in the same places while ignoring a platform that can keep working long after a post goes live.
The problem is that most people never have enough time to manage another traffic source properly.
What if there was a way to simplify much of that workload without adding more complexity? Pinterest can be a powerful traffic source, but maintaining it manually often becomes overwhelming. Creating graphics, writing descriptions, researching keywords, and publishing consistently takes real effort. That's why many marketers know Pinterest has potential, but never stick with it long enough to see results. The challenge usually isn't opportunity. It's maintaining the workflow. That's where automation becomes interesting, and that's what led me to explore TrafficWave Generator 3.0. TrafficWave Generator 3.0 is a cloud-based platform focused specifically on Pinterest automation. Instead of manually building every campaign, the platform helps automate much of the content creation process. It can create images, video pins, titles, descriptions, and publishing workflows from a keyword or URL.
The goal isn't to replace marketing strategy. It's to reduce repetitive work.
Affiliate marketers, bloggers, e-commerce sellers, agencies, and beginners are the audiences most likely to benefit. One feature is the AI Pin Image Generator, designed to create visual content faster. For marketers who spend hours designing graphics, that alone could save significant time. The platform also supports AI-generated video pins, helping diversify content formats. Another feature is the URL to pin system that can turn existing content into Pinterest-ready campaigns. Repurposing existing assets can often be more efficient than creating everything from scratch. The built-in AI copywriter helps generate titles and descriptions optimized for Pinterest.
Scheduling tools make it easier to maintain consistency without daily manual effort.
Campaign cloning can help scale successful ideas across multiple projects. And the analytics section helps monitor performance and identify what's working. The process begins by entering either a keyword or a web page URL.
The software then generates campaign assets automatically.
Optimization tools help create supporting content around those assets. Next comes scheduling, allowing content to be organized ahead of time. This reduces the amount of day-to-day management required.
Finally, performance can be monitored and successful campaigns can be expanded.
If you want to see the full review, pricing, bonuses, and my complete breakdown, check the review link in the comments. I cover both the strengths and limitations so you can decide whether it's a fit for your goals. Let's talk about what I liked and where I think expectations should stay realistic. One strength is how many Pinterest-related tasks are combined into a single workflow.
Reducing the number of tools needed can improve efficiency.
However, some setup steps may require integrating external services.
And like any marketing tool, results still depend on content quality, niche selection, and consistency.
So who should seriously consider TrafficWave Generator 3.0?
Affiliate marketers looking to streamline Pinterest campaigns may find it useful.
Bloggers and e-commerce businesses
could also benefit from a more efficient workflow.
Agencies managing multiple campaigns may appreciate the automation features. If Pinterest isn't part of your strategy, the platform may be less relevant. Overall, I see it as a productivity tool focused on Pinterest rather than a magic traffic solution.
Before making any decision, I recommend reading the full review for the complete picture. The review covers features, pricing, bonuses, strengths, weaknesses, and practical use cases. If Pinterest traffic is something you're exploring, you'll probably want those details before moving forward. Check the review link in the comments for the latest pricing, bonuses, and my complete TrafficWave Generator 3.0 evaluation.